Welcome to Jyoti CNC booth. Here we have demonstrated RDX series of the machine. This model is RDX 20. We have various machine options are available like RDX 10, RDX 20 and RDX 30. Three models are there in this series. RDX 20 is basically 1000 by 530 table size with 820, 510 and 510 XYZ strokes. In spindle, we have option of 6000 RPM spindle, 8000, 10,000 RPM spindle and 12,000 RPM spindle. In 10,000 RPM, we are offering electro spindle as an option, which is very better for better surface finish and improved quality of end product. Many machines are used in mold industry of the same series, RDX series. In controller side, we have three options of controller. This machine we have demonstrated with Mitsubishi controller. We have option of Siemens. We have option of Fanuc in this series. As far as machine construction is concerned, we have very rigid construction. You can say see broader column. Machine is with 3-point leveling system, and our unique feature is integrated housing. Wall screw housing is integrated, and this is the design of the inside design of the machine. We can offer fourth axis. If any specific job requirement is there, we can offer fourth axis in this machine with rotary table. We have option of various probes are there. Here we can show, see one probe we have given in this machine. We can offer CTS in this machine. So many options are there. This is a fully loaded machine. We can offer various kind of option in this machine. In this series, we have three models. One is RDX 10, RDX 20 and RDX 30.